Hi, welcome to Krish's Excel Anywhere. This is Santosh. இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்து மற்றும் பார்த்து கொண்டிருக்கும் அனைத்து உள்ளங்களுக்கும் எனது மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். Firstly, I would like to thank each and everyone who has subscribed and watching my channel. I'll be making videos about basic and advanced Excel in English and Tamil. MS Excel considered as one of the most important software across all the organization, not only in MNC or corporate. So I will be covering from basic to advanced Excel, especially the most used Excel shortcuts, functions, formulas, charts and dashboards, which will help save your time, and if you are starting your career, this will be very helpful. Next, I would like to say the five most important things in Excel. One is Excel functions. We will be seeing all the predefined Excel functions. Next, the pivot table, how to create pivot table by using raw data, how to give the summary as per the requirements, and Excel formulae. There are many formulas, some it's all very basic. So we will be covering from basic to advanced. So there are many types of charts available in Excel. We will be seeing one by one: pie chart, line chart, bar chart, everything in detail in future. Excel dashboards is a very important question arise from my friends and colleagues, how to create Excel dashboards. So, and I will be covering about how to create Excel dashboards with slicer and different view, because Excel dashboard is very good for visualization. Yeah, this is the important things, that something I wanted to talk. Topics to be covered from basic to advanced. What I am going to cover in upcoming, it's not only this I'm going to cover, it will be kind of extra any other topics, like any other requirements from the people. I'll be taking that as well. First, I will be talking about workbook and worksheet, and how to save workbook. This not, I'm not going to cover all this in one day. Like, I will be having very short video, because I don't want. So save workbook, create workbook, delete workbook, or hide, unhide, how to protect. So all this I'm going to cover upcoming next videos. So when it comes to formula, it's some if count a, with multiple conditions we are going to use. Not only this one what I have mentioned here, with multiple condition we are going to cover. Like VLOOKUP we are using, but VLOOKUP how to use with concatenate, how to use index with VLOOKUP, and how to use a partial VLOOKUP. In case if you are the one who is creating pivot table and refreshing by using the change data source every time, no need at all. It takes a while to create a named range, and just press Alt F5 to refresh. That all we are going to cover. If you like my video, please subscribe and like and comment. Don't forget to share with your friends if you like this video. Thanks for watching.